afternoon. We're at Holcroft Fishery and Caravan Park. Look at that. Let me zoom in. There's a right big lake there, fishing pond. And then there's another one on that side. We'll go for a walk later. I've got company this time. Got a little scouser with me. So it's fishermen on banks doing the thing. You can just see this little silver umbrella there. Nice big site. There's some proper and big polycarbonate mobile homes, as they call them. Call them mobile homes because they can physically pick them up and put them on back of a transporter and move them to a different site. Some right big ones over there. Ducks keep coming and visiting us. He's not phased, he's not bothered about them, he's alright. So yeah, I just thought I'd come on. Yacht seat toilets and showers. Beautiful. Proper little enclosed washroom as well for us pots. I'll take you for a little trot in a wee while. Anyway, I wish sun were out. It keeps coming and going, but it's a little bit chilly at the moment. Gonna go and get a brew on. Draw. That just reminds me of that film. Oh, but this is Retford's version. Go on, what was that film called? It were all young kids and they were playing pirates. I think it's an American... No, it's not an American film, it's English. Filmed at Cumbria way. Go on. If you don't answer, just put it in comments for us. If you're doing my nutting. And people say, oh, I don't like camping, I don't see what you see in it. So yesterday, when Katie come, she started prepping food, and most people on here having like barbecue and noodles, pot noodles, sandwiches. She turns up with charcuterie board. Proper flash, I'll put some photographs on. Proper flash. So I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning and I took it into go on. Smoked salmon and fancy cheese. Because that's the way that you can roll. However, tonight it's banana sandwiches or banana on toast because I'm just fancying a bit of a children's tea. Look at that. Stunning. Bean, Katie, did you go for a wander down that one? That water? You've been dogging? Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Little kids area. I picked this one because it's right next to toilets and showers. I've done a little video on showers, but I'm going to do a better one I think later. Proper tramping it today, brew on. What have I got under here? What do you think I've got? You all know I'm partial to a bit of sausage. Bit of tomato sausage. Beautiful. Katie's gone for a big Brad, I think. I'm lying, she's gone for a walk. And I've just found something in the boot of the van. Boot at van? You know what I mean? Back at van. And I know for well she's going to go, what the fuck's that? Oh, you look glorious. Look at these fancy toilets. Big double shower. So we're going to go and have a look at this other little fishing lake, see if there's anybody on playing up line and sinker. No blow. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Go and see if any benches. It's been lovely listening to that today. It's right peaceful. I put it on right late last night. Had it running all day. Oh yeah. Shut up. Anybody been to Alcudia? We've got like, it's like literally built on a riverbank. And at night time they put these beautiful like waterfalls on and big sprinklers. Anybody know why they have them running? Usually on at day, but mainly at night. Put it down in comments if you know why, and I'll put answer later. Are you copying?
What's going on in there?
Guess who's back? Back again. Goosey's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Pfft. Get the size of that. Bloody hell. It's off on a trot. Where's it off to? Somebody be cooking breakfast. They're 8 little greedy munters. Come in, number 4, your time's up. Wonder where they all go. Going to the warmer end? That's my guess. What a beautiful evening. It's a shame I've got to go tomorrow. This weather's going to be decent with it looks. Well, similar to today, bit overcast, bit of drizzle here and there for an hour. And the sun. It said sun is come out tomorrow. Said it were going to come out about 7 o'clock tonight for a couple of hours. It was nice and warm this morning, but overcast. But it's out now. A bit chilly actually. Oh, I went to a charity shop the other week and I was like, I know what that is. I was like, is that a kite? She said, I don't know, it's brand new. Gets it out today. Well, what a performance. Then suddenly realised you need a windy day really for things like speed kites. So straight back in bag. I'll have to try another time. So me bringing back me memories of being on Flamborough Head there with my little homemade kites. Might have a bash at fishing next time. That's my fished. What fished? Is that the right word? I was in South Africa. That were a right experience. Fabulous. I did actually manage to get a right little tiddler. Like a bit of a little tiddler I do. And but they're massive on here. Keep seeing them chuck themselves out at water. One looked like big at the size of a cat earlier. So I am going to sign off because I've got to get up nice and early in the morning and get myself ready. I will bid you goodbye.